Good morning, one and all who are present here. It's me, Monica. I'm presenting here. I'm supporting religious views. I'm from Subhash University.
Good morning to one and all present here. This is Mansa. I am from Team Azad, and with me, my friends Harshwardhani and Lokeshwari are also participating in this debate. And I am supporting the views of science.
In my view, till now, and present generation also following superstitions. Before going to do something good, we'll keep our pride like first, right? So I believe religious views till now. Everyone is believing religious views are still following, and superstitions also they are following till now.
But the science is most important in this way because the scientists have also proved everything. There are many proofs. I am not saying everything which are said in religion. There is a proof in science, but there are some of the specific proofs are also there. But in religion, the proofs are not there. We cannot show any evidences and proofs in religion. But in science, we can show everything for proof.
Normal people believe that there is a God. Science people believe that there is a power. So they are believing God, right?
But it is a supernatural power and it is an energy which is also proven in science by the scientists.
Oh, that's what I'm saying. They are believing God. They are keeping that name as power, energy, which is
whatever the name it gives, but they are bringing it as supernatural power.
If their scientists wants to do something good, they'll keep muhurtams, right? Till now they are believing superstitions.
In religion, if one of them says anything, all the people will agree to that. But in
Monica,
science,
proof. We want proof. వాళ్ళు పెడతారు ముహూర్తాలు అని చెప్పావు కదా ప్రూఫ్ వేర్ ద ప్రూఫ్
Satellites
Proof.
launch
ప్రూఫ్ హ్యావ్ యు రెడ్ ఎనీవేర్ సే ద ప్రూఫ్
I had someone in TV. I had someone in TV breaking. While they are launching satellites, they give some time. This time we have to launch the satellites. Then it will be successful.
but the scientists who have believed that they will, but not all the scientists will say they will believe what are the subject they have. They will do. They have confidence in that satellite will be work successfully. They have the confidence before they do all these things.
In present generation, everyone will say that they are fast, right? But we have to marry any guy or any person. We'll keep them, right? So we are believing superstitions. That means a religious views. If we are not, if anyone is going to marry another religion, no, because they are believing that which are kept by our older generation.
And that is about why Hindu religion and marrying Muslim religion. Why Hindu is not Hindu.
Rare people are going to marry, but everyone is not going to marry, right? Every people is going to marry their religion people, not other religion people, right?
But they are thinking about the science also. In religion, one of them stands. So one of them says anything, all the members will agree to that. But in science, everyone opposes to the other opponent.
In older generation, which they kept the rules, still now they are following, right? If we are talking something, the lizard will shout. Everyone say, oh, it will become true. We are believing still now, right? So we are believing what they said before years.
But the rules who opponent, those only will become scientists. The rules who break that rules, they will become the scientists.
But religious views are more important, and still now people are following. Now present generation are also following superstitions. They are going to temples on their birthdays or any occasions they are going to pray.
Why they are going to temples? Because for peace they are going. The scientists.
Means there is God, right?
Why? How tell them? For peace we can go to church also we can go.
That means God only know.
Okay, how can you say that? That means if there is a God, he is